Hello lovely people, welcome to Akose's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So today in my kitchen I'm going to be making garlic butter stick and potato pan fry. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. So these are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing is to wash your potato very well and then cut it into the wedges shape. Okay, you can also cut it in any shape that you want, but I think because I'm doing stick, I'm going to have it in the wedge shape. So once I'm done cutting the potatoes, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of oil, black pepper, salt and paprika, and then mix everything together. So the next thing is to add enough oil into your pan and then fry the potatoes until it's crunchy. You can also bake or air fry this if you want. So at this point the potato is done, and then I'm just going to remove it from the oil and then set it aside. So in the same pan I'll add about 1 tablespoon of oil and then add my beef. Stir fry for a few seconds and then go ahead and add your spices. You can add any spices of your choice, but I will be listing all the spices that I'm using for this recipe in the description box. Also for the beef, please choose the tender part because this recipe doesn't take long to cook, okay, so that you can consume the beef whilst it's tender. So once you mix all the spices with the beef, lower the heat and then allow it to bring out the juices and also cook very well. Okay, so the beef has been cooking for 8 minutes and then it's ready. You could see all the juice from the beef. Please don't cook it for the sauce to dry up so that it could give your beef the juicy and the nice flavor. So pour it in a bowl and set it aside. Now to the main key of this recipe, add about 50 grams of unsalted butter, allow it to melt and then add your garlic paste. This is about 2 cloves of garlic. Stir fry for a few seconds and go ahead and add your diced white onion. You can also use the red onions, which is very fine. And then you give it a quick mix and then add all your spices. As I said, I will be listing all the spices in the description box, so please check it out to have all the correct spices and the measurement. So mix everything together and then add your beef and all the stock. This smells so good already. Give it a quick mix and then add your fried potatoes and mix everything together. So once everything is well mixed, I'm going to top up with some parsley and celery. You can also top up with some scallions, which is very fine. It will still give you that flavor. Look at how beautiful this looks, and it smells so nice. The butter, the sauce of the beef coming together with the garlic is amazing, right? Lunch is ready and then I'm ready to eat my lunch. One more tip, you can also use sweet potatoes for this recipe and it will give you amazing results. All right, so I'll leave you guys here. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Bye bye.